Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Japan's coincident index will be released at 5 GMT. Australia's imports at 1:30 GMT. Australia's exports at 1:30 GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. Germany's imports at 6 GMT. Germany's exports at 6 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Shares of chip company AMD and server maker Supermicro Computer tumbled after the companies posted underwhelming results in their data center segments, shaking investor confidence in their AI growth narratives and competitive positions. Oil prices pared earlier gains and eased to fresh 5-week lows after the US Secretary of State Marco Rubio indicated there would be an announcement on whether potential sanctions against Russia over its war in Ukraine would proceed this week. Transactions on the Ethereum network have reached a one-year high as the US SEC issues new guidance on staking. This comes amid historical highs in Ether staked on the network, as over 36 million Ether is now staked on Ethereum, representing nearly 30% of the total token supply.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.